Hi, today we'll be solving simultaneous equation by equating the coefficients. Now this is one equation 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, which is linear in form having two variables. Same way we have another equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 24, which also has the same variable x and y. We need to get the value of x and y, and what method we will be using? We'll be using by equating the coefficient. Now this x has coefficient of 3 and this x has coefficient of 5. Now what we will do? We will either make these two coefficients similar or y ka coefficient similar. How can we make the coefficient similar? By multiplying this whole equation. If I multiply by 5, then the 3x will become 5 3s are 15, and if I multiply this whole equation by 3, it will become 5 3s are 15. The equation will become similar. I mean to say the coefficient of x will become same. So first we will see, let's see how we will do it. We will multiply this with 5 and this equation with 3, the whole equation. So this equation will turn out to be 15x minus 20y is equal to 50. The second equation will become 15x minus 9y is equal to 72. Right? Now what we will do, we see here that both the variable x ka variable ka coefficient is same. If I subtract this first equation with the second equation, the 15x, the x variable will get cancelled. So we will subtract it. Fine. For subtracting, we change the sign of the second equation. So this will get cancelled. 15 minus 15. Minus 20y plus 9y will become how much? Will become 11y with a minus sign, because minus 20 is bigger. Same way here we will do 50 minus 72, that is 22 with a minus sign because 72 is bigger. Now y is equal to minus 22 by 11, that is y is equal to 2. Now the value of y turns out to be 2. We will put this 2 in either of the two equation, value of y. Fine. So let's put the value of y in equation 1. Fine. So the equation 1 was 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Fine. So 3x will be 3x minus 4. Here it will be minus plus. Okay. That was because minus 11 comes here, it becomes minus 11 and minus plus. So the value of y turns out to be 2. So 3x minus 4 into 2 is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10. 8 comes here and minus 8 becomes plus 8. That is 18. 3x is equal to, x is equal to 18 upon 3, that is 6. Fine. So this is how we solve the simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation means two equation with two variables and the variables are same. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. These are two equations and they are two equations, so we call them simultaneous equation. So this is how we solve the whole equation with the help of equating coefficients.